All right, guys, you guys are probably wondering where the hell I am at. Idaho Falls, and it's crazy snowing, but I'm actually here today with the man, the myth, the legend, Chandler. And you guys know Chandler. If you guys don't know about Chandler, I'm going to have a link in the description below. Chandler here owns over $10 million worth of real estate. He generates over $50,000 every single month on passive income. And now he has this beautiful home that's, what, 18,000 square feet?
Yeah.
So you know what? He called me up and he said, hey, Chuck, why don't you come on down here and do a full video tour on my property? Let's do a review. I said, you know what? Let's do it.
Cool, let's roll.
So here's the thing. The other thing I want you guys to do real quick, when you guys got some free time, I need you to show him some love. I'm gonna have a link in the description below to his channel, especially if you wanna get into financing, right? Selling and also investing. This is the guy. So go ahead, show the love, show the support. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification button and also a thumbs up too as well.
Thanks so much, man.
Okay, so Chandler, tell us about the exterior.
So if you look at this house over here,
yeah,
it's gonna be kind of this vibe, but a little more modern,
okay,
and more white. So there's gonna be a lot of stucco, a lot of nice like white gray stone, a lot of precast. You're probably just gonna have to wait and see though.
Ooh.
But more of that black windows and a whitish gray exterior.
So are you doing any stack stone on here too as well?
No stacked stone, but it'll be, what is stacked stone?
Okay. Now, as far as like the material on the exterior, do they use concrete stucco on the outside, or?
They do.
Okay,
yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
Right.
So a lot of homes around here actually use siding just because of the elements and everything, but stucco does well.
Okay. All right, Chandler, tell us how many square feet is this home, and how many bedrooms, bathrooms exactly?
So it is going to be 18,000 square feet under the roof. We're going to take this.
Yeah,
Let's
I'm going to follow you. Is this safe?
Yeah, it should be good.
Okay.
I made it. We'll see if you do.
Hey, I'm only getting a little bit paranoid because I just had back surgery, so
yeah.
Here we go, I made it, yes!
When you're talking just living space, which
yeah.
I'll show you the separation, not including the pool and all that other stuff,
yeah,
we're probably on like 8,000 or 9,000 square feet.
Okay.
And then the rest of it's all the fun stuff.
Oh,
so
wow.
When it comes to bedrooms and bathrooms, I want to say we've got like 6 or 7 bedrooms. There's some gray area because we've got a bunk room downstairs that's made for all my sales reps to sleep. We've got a movie theater. We've got a bunch of stuff going on.
So what do we have here? I mean, this is just an open floor plan. I mean, it looks like you have a nice loft too as well.
Yeah, so there's going to be a sweet loft up here.
Okay.
We'll have a nice black railing through all of this. And then they still have to frame in our fireplace. So
Gotcha.
Fireplace is going to be right here. Then you just got the view out to the backyard. Back over here where we're looking is going to be, kitchen, dining, all that. And then our master suite is over here. So you've got master bedroom, master bathroom, master closet, and a laundry room all in this section behind us.
So I take it your TV is going to be here then, and this is kind of like your main focal point?
Yeah, we'll have a big fireplace mantle with a bench there, and then a TV here, and then cabinets on either side.
Okay. And are you doing like a smart home system?
Dude, so we are,
yeah.
But it's something that no one has used here before. It's actually from Europe.
Okay.
We haven't broke the news on my channel, so you're going to have to wait and see.
Oh.
But it literally, I've seen a lot of smart home stuff. This
Yeah.
is the only one I felt like is truly a smart home.
Yeah.
So there are going to be some videos on my channel coming on that. It's pretty cool.
Now, by the time you build this thing out, what do you think it's going to be worth, you're thinking?
I don't know, man. I'm not planning on selling it after, but hopefully we're in a good place for at least what we've put into it. I originally wanted to be under 2 million. I think realistically, I'm probably going to be at 2.5 and then landscape on top of that. So the thing that's nice about landscape is I like doing that stuff. I mean, I did that stuff growing up. So we'll still hire out a lot, but we're not worrying about landscape until a year and a half from now.
So it looks like back here, you're doing a pantry, right?
Yeah.
Wow, look how huge this pantry is going to be back here.
Yes, it'll be walk-in.
Okay.
And back here we'll have second fridge, we'll have a sink. This is one of my favorite parts of the house. So obviously we've got kids, but I'm also going to have sales reps over all the time.
Okay.
So just to keep them honest, we've got a window that looks down on the full basketball court.
Oh my gosh, he's got a full basketball court in here.
So
awesome.
It's going to be a professional half court, and then it'll be enough for mini full court. So this is our covered patio.
Okay.
And we're going to have a fireplace right here.
Okay.
So we've got a fireplace out here. We've got another window that looks down on the basketball court. And then this is my yard. We're on 4 acres. And you can see all the trees over here. We're going to leave this pretty natural and have a walking path back through there. Okay. We're going to do an orchard in the back. And then I just want a nice little football field for the kids right here with some landscape.
Wow, that is awesome. So what do we have upstairs here exactly?
So this is just bedrooms up here. I think we've got 4 bedrooms total, and then 2 bathrooms and laundry. Okay. So out here is just going to be a loft. I kind of see this being the hangout to watch TV with the kids. Yeah. So we'll have a couch here, just kind of overlooks everything.
And earlier you mentioned that you had an indoor pool?
Yeah.
Is that correct?
It is. We're in Idaho, so it's got to be indoor,
right? Indoor pool. And the basketball court.
Yeah.
You know what? We got to skip this. I think we need to go down there right now and take a look at this thing.
Perfect. Let's do it.
So now we are down here on the basement level. And we were talking about the moisture because by digging down into the ground, you're going to get a lot of moisture. So basically I was asking Chandler, how does the contractor, what does he do to prevent water coming in? Because I noticed, some of these homes in Vegas where they do have basements, not that much, okay, you can kind of smell the mold.
Yeah. Well, I think it's a couple things. First off, the home needs to be built up and you need to get your grading right to push the water away, especially with snow and everything else. The other thing is with the concrete, they'll seal the exterior so that a lot of that's not coming in. The last thing I would add is making sure that your ventilation is good down here, just so that you're getting good air. And for me with rental properties, that's a big thing. You want to make sure you're not getting moisture inside. Gotcha. I've had some properties where they don't have it sealed right, they don't have the water being pushed away from the home, and you'll start to get that water coming through and causing a lot of issues. So that's something you definitely want to avoid.
So this right here is your pool, is that correct?
No, this is the theater room.
Oh, the theater room, sorry.
So you've got different levels here.
I like that.
Yeah, up here we're going to have a bar, and then we'll have 2 levels of seating. And we wanted a little bigger one. A lot of theater rooms hold like 6 people, but we've got a lot of people from my sales organization coming over, so we wanted to have tons of room.
So it seems like you really designed this property to incorporate your sales team, right?
100%.
To come and live here too and work and play. Is that what it is?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I already do a lot of work out of home, but we fly a lot of our top performers in, and I'm always renting space to do stuff with my sales reps. Okay. And so I figured, hey, let's stop renting space. We right here we're going to put a bunk room where we can sleep tons of people. Okay. We've got the full basketball court, and so I can do events here. I can have people come and sleep here, and I really set it up so that right here the house could be cut off, and they can use the pool, they can use the basketball court. They've got a place to sleep, and it's not interfering on my life. And even with you, I mean, you come over, you knock on my front door, and I've got life going on with my kids, my wife. Correct. I didn't want to intrude in that space anymore, and so this is a place for you two, my sales reps, to just be away and out of the way.
I love the concept and the way that you designed this thing to the point where you can have 2 separate living areas and you can still have your family and have their privacy, which I think is really cool.
Yeah, and for me, a lot of people like to go into the office. I love to work at home. Yeah. I love to be able to come and spend 30 minutes with sales reps and be like, hey, you guys have fun, and go hang out with my family.
So where are we at right now?
So this is the indoor basketball court. Okay. This is, probably my favorite part of the house. I've always wanted this. This is one of those vision board things that you work for. And right here is going to be a glass wall, and this is going to be my indoor gym. Okay, cool. So you can work out here, you can see the basketball court, or you can have your buddies over and do that, or my sales reps over. And you can see we got a lot of light in. We've got these windows from the kitchen, from outside, these big windows here, and then these are windows that look down from the indoor swimming pool. Cool. So we're going to have a lot of natural light and a really cool space to come shoot hoops.
Do you even play basketball?
Not as much as I would like.
Okay.
I get a hard time because I don't play a ton, but I'll have to now, right?
That's right. Now, let's go look at the pool. I want to see the pool.
Let's check it out. So before we get up to the pool, we don't have the stairs in yet.
Okay.
So I'm going to have to take you back up and around, but I'm going to show you where it links in. Because I think this is really cool. So this, I'm going to turn into like YouTube Central.
Okay.
So that I can be filming in here. So I'm going to have a second office in here. And like a setup for our podcast, for all kinds of other stuff. Okay. But this is a suspended slab. So this is right under my garage.
Oh, wow.
So you're going to have all my cars up above there. Here is the same thing. It's another suspended slab, and it's going to get real echoey. So we'll stay here and then show you. But we're going to have 2 bathrooms with showers. Okay. So guys can come over and they've got everything. They can shower for the day. You know, they can get ready to go up to the pool or into the basketball court. And then we're going to have a TV, a kitchenette. Like, this is just hangout central. And then there are stairs right here that take you up to the pool. So we can come and show you. So 2 bathrooms over here. We'll have laundry behind a wall that'll be right here. So laundry over here. Okay. And then like a kitchen area. And a TV on this wall, lockers on that wall, just a cool hangout.
And this is the stairs you're saying to go up?
Yep, so this will be double glass doors. And then this will be stairs that takes you right up. And you can see it just opens up into the pool room.
Cool. All right. So we got to go around that way because there's no stairs.
So you can see you were just in my garage. This one alone is close to the size of the current garage I have. I've made it so that I can hopefully fit, 5 to 6 cars on this side. Okay. This will be the fun cars side, and then that's our daily driver side.
Gotcha.
So I'll probably get a car lift in here too, because I made the higher ceiling so that I've got room for a lot of cars.
So how many total cars do you think you can fit in here, you saying?
I think if you crammed them in like they're at my house, you can do 6. Because you've got enough room this way to fit them like this, and you've got enough room side to side to do 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maybe I will at some point, but I'm thinking I'll probably just put like 2 car lifts in the back and then leave usable space over on the side.
So I noticed that you have a Tesla, so that tells me you're running probably a 220 somewhere over there, right?
Yep, I think I'll put a 220. I'll have at least 2, maybe 3 or 4, because I plan on getting the Roadster and the Tesla truck. Okay. So I'll probably put those on these walls as well.
And you're going to insulate all this too as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to have to heat under here more than I would because it's harder to insulate this.
So you have heat strips on here right now?
No, but remember, we're above that locker room area.
Oh, okay.
So as I heat that, you're naturally going to get that through the concrete.
Yeah, gotcha. All right, so where are we going now?
So we're going to the pool. Now, I'll show you, but the best way to get into the pool, actually, let's just show you.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Okay, so, be careful, Chandler. Oh, Chandler, you're crazy, dude.
Try it out,
So
dude.
right now, I ain't gonna try that. Are you crazy?
Let's see what we got.
Chandler, be careful, dude. Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Oh my God, Chandler's crazy. So I want to talk about this. I noticed you got one big open space here and one right here. What are you doing with this right here?
Yeah, so we wanted an outdoor fill as well.
Yeah.
And so what we did is we're going to put in a massive glass garage door. So we're getting tons of natural light. Yeah. But in the summers, I can pop this open.
Ooh.
And then these are going to be those sliding doors, so we can slide all that open.
Okay.
And it's just going to feel like you're outside.
Oh my God, this is such a great concept. Who literally helped you come up with this idea? Did you think about this yourself?
So we've been thinking about it for a long time.
Okay.
We had been eyeing this lot for over a year. Okay. And we found home plans that we loved.
Yeah.
And so we went with that. It just had the basketball court and the house as it is. So we made a couple tweaks there. Mm-hmm. We essentially kept their plans very similar. And then we added the locker room and the pool, and it just fit perfect. That way we could close it in. We get a lot of wind from this direction in Idaho. So we've got this whole space closed off. Really cool patio setup out here. So it just kind of came together with me and my wife.
Now, you made a good point. And when we design homes for our clients and we do build outs, we always talk about the location and the position of the home. because the sun rises in the east, sets in the west. We take a look at how the wind blows too as well. Did you take that into consideration when building this home?
So much, yeah. I mean, you're thinking about where the sun's coming up, where it's going down. You're thinking about the wind. You're thinking about the lot and how you want to use it. When you build a home, it's super stressful, but 18,000 square feet on 4 acres, there are so many decisions. It's like really overwhelming. So, and I always feel like a jerk talking about that because people are like, oh, Chandler, he's, you know, so hard building this house, but it's a lot of work and it's a lot of fun and we're excited about it.
Cool. Well, Chandler, I just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing us to tour your property. This is like one of the coolest properties I've ever got to tour. And I'm very excited to the invite to come back to see exactly what this finished product looks like. Any final words for all the subscribers out there?
Well, thanks so much for coming, man. It was a blast. We're really excited to get it finished. And seriously, you guys come visit whenever you want. And hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, hit me up or jump over to my channel and you can see some of the spots that we didn't get to cover in this video.
And guys, once he's done, I'm going to come back and film this property, so stay tuned to that. Again, you guys got to show the love and the support, okay? I want to talk again about financing, sales, and real estate investing. This is the guy to check out. I'm going to have a link in the description below. If you guys want more content like this, let me know. Other than that, peace.